Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up, Wagwan? Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a traditional jerk seasoning. If you want to jerk up some chicken, some pork, some rabbit, if you want to make a jerk flavored sauce, if you want to make some jerk shrimp pasta, this seasoning is going to be a go-to if you want a jerk flavor. And guys, I want to thank you all for the support. Thanks for watching. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do so by hitting that red subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to turn on your notifications. Make sure you set it to all so that you won't miss another video that I put out. Alright? One of the key to authentic jerk flavor is in the seasoning, how the meat is treated before it hits the pan. If you don't get the seasoning right, it just not go taste like when you go on the roadside, go buy some jerk chicken or some jerk pork. It just not go have the realness about it. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to get that authentic jerk seasoning on your meat. Alright, so let's go. Let's jump right into it with what you will need. So first and foremost, you absolutely must have pimento, and do not be stingy with it. You're going to need a lot of it. If you don't have pimento, call it something else, but don't call it jerk, because if you don't have pimento, the flavor is going to be off. In addition to that, you're going to need some fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, some scallion, ginger, onion, and then to flavor it, you're going to need some powder seasonings. I'm using some jerk seasoning, locally made jerk seasoning from a company called Easy Spice, and yeah, it has the same flavor profile like the natural ingredients. You're going to need some black pepper, some salt, some all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of nutmeg. Some people put cinnamon in it. You can do that as well, but just do not overpour it. Today I'm not using any cinnamon in mine. So this is all that you're going to need to make your jerk seasoning or your jerk marinade. What you're going to do, you're going to just put everything in a blender. Just put it all in the blender. What I did, the woody parts of the thyme, I kind of cut that off and just put in the softer parts or just the leaves. You can put in all the woody parts, especially if you have a good blender, but I chose not to. So I just take off the thyme leaves and just put in the soft parts and take off the woody parts. Then I'm adding my garlic, my pimento, everything. Just go in at the blender and it will just get a good little blend up. You do not need vinegar to make your jerk marinade. The purpose of the vinegar is for preservation. And today, I just use my jerk seasoning to just season up some chicken and some pork. We're going to go right on the grill. I am not making this jerk season with the intention to put it down to use at a later date. So I don't need vinegar in it. I'm adding a little bit of browning just to give it a little bit of color, and then I'm going to just blend up everything. And what you'll be left with is this nice jerk seasoning. It is so flavorful and the smell is just so incredible. When you use this season up your chicken and your pork, I tell you, it'll go shot. Anything you decide to do with it, it'll go just nice. And you can use this as a regular seasoning, not only to jerk, but if you're going to jerk, this is like a must have. You must have a jerk seasoning. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Come back and watch it whenever you're ready for jerk, because I tell you, it's not normal. This is Cook Like Sasha, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.